is 6.
The number of the things in the trousers is 6.
Pananyora 6.
Is there anyone who wrote 6 things?
Pananyora 6.
There is no one who wrote 6 items.
Chero dai ndati 7, hapana nyora chi.
Even if I had written 7, no one wrote 7 things.
Mapepa atinadira kuti tiachengete.
We need these papers for the record.
Let's look
at the next thing that is going to be taken out of the trousers, whether someone put your hand slowly. We'll give you the names of the things after the exercise. Raise it up. We'll give you the name of this thing. You can place it there.
Right,
right, proceed again. Put your hand back in the pocket.
Mouth is a screen up.
Put it on the screen. That's a mouth freshener. Did anyone write
mouth
a mouth freshener? Did anyone write a mouth
freshener?
freshener? Someone may say that is fetish. No one wrote that. You can place it down, put back your hand right back in the trousers. Doctors, what is that?
Thermometer. Thermometer.
It's a thermometer. Did any one of you write a thermometer? None of you. You can put it down. You can put it down. Does anyone know what this thing is?
Zvese zvinechekuita nekutesta zvese test kit iyo inozikanwa hapana nyora test kit.
That is known. Did any one of you write a test kit?
Hapana nyora zvekare sainyu zvekare momwe dzosera yenyu zvekare tione.
You can put your hand back in the trousers, in the pocket.
Iyo nyatsoka bhendesa iso kaonekwe kuti kanoshanda sei vanoziva vazi kabhendesa kanochikoka nepapa bhendesai pana anoziva kuti chiicho.
Does anyone know what this thing is?
Inonzi chiiko iyo.
What is this?
Antenna kana aerial.
It's an antenna or aerial.
Hapana.
No one wrote an antenna or an aerial.
Right, you pass.
You can put it down.
Right. Buritsai chimwe tuone. Buritsai chimwe futi tuone chirimo.
Can you bring out something else?
Sisina nditi. Right, chibvisa trouser chaipapo tuone.
Can you remove the trousers from there, please?
Buritsai omwe pindi gurai futi tuone zvatamboita zviye.
Can you turn it upside down?
Pazvinhu zvese zvabuda umwe.
Of everything that came out of the pocket,
hakuna mumwe chete.
There is not even one of you
aona chimwe chete
who saw any one of the 6 items.
Vurai button. Sudurga, mirai papa.
You can stand. Can you move forward a bit? Bring out the pockets, turn it upside down. Turn it inside out so that we can see inside once more.
fambai naro muchibva uko vachiona kuti ndiro rimwe chete here kana kuti rachinja harisisiri riri.
Parade it right from the end coming this side.
Now,
ask them to see whether it's still the same trousers or not.
This is supposed to be happening in church. For your own information, knowledge.
Some of you don't have knowledge.
There are certain churches where they actually do these things.
They do it in certain churches, this exercise we are having here. They no longer want to touch these trousers.
All right, fambai.
You can walk through.
All right. So, adiskuzo tanga kuverenga mapepa enyu. It's not for that. We are not here to humiliate anybody. For your own information, inini, I'm part of you, Ipapa. Inini, if I was standing there writing, I was going to miss this. This is something that I cannot see. Okay? Okay, all right. Yeah, I think
they've seen. You can walk through.
This doesn't mean Guti. This doesn't mean Guti.
This doesn't mean that these people cannot see.
And it doesn't mean Guti Panama fake.
And it also doesn't mean that there are no fake seers here.